दुःखातिगो भवेत् तमहं सर्वदा वन्दे श्रीमद्वल्लभनन्दनम् अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमामि हृदये शेषे लीलाक्षिराभिषायिनम् लक्ष्मीसहस्रलीलाभिः सेव्यमानम् कलानिधिम् चतुर्भिश्च त्रिभिस्तथा षड्भिर्विराजते योऽसौ पञ्चधा हृदये मम पञ्चधा हृदये मम पञ्चधा हृदये मम।
चरण स्पर्श ठाकुर जी, महाप्रभु जी and Yamunama. Danvat pranam to my Guruji and everyone's beloved JJ Shri, Dr. H. Dwarkeshlaji Mahoday Shri. Jai Shri Krishna to all our Vaishnavas. With the divine blessings of my Thakurji and Guruji, I, Arman Trishna Morjaria, from Nairobi, Kenya hereby bring to you content related to Pushtimarg, our Thakurji and teachings of JJ in English. I will be posting content as frequently as possible in the forms of videos and shorts. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel, comment and hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Kindly also share the content with your family and friends so as to spread the wings of Pushtimarg globally. Let's commence today's video. Today we discuss the Ashtyam Seva, which means the 8 different times of divine service of Shri Krishna. In Pushtimarg, the path of grace, Shri Vallabhacharya ji has revealed that where one performs Shri Krishna's seva, be it in a temple or home, represents Nandalaya, Nandarai ji's residence. Nandarai ji was Shri Krishna's father, the king of cowherds, and lived in Gokul. One of Shri Krishna's divine sports is when he affectionately goes cow grazing into the forest. Yashodaji, Shri Krishna's mother, lovingly awakens Shri Krishna daily in the morning. He loves drinking milk after waking up, so Yashodaji offers him milk, curd and butter. She then dresses him with lovely clothes and ornaments. He then plays with the cowherds, and they kindly ask him to go to the forest for cow grazing. Subsequently, he visits the forest with cowherds and cows belonging to Nandarai ji. Under the cool shade of a tree in the forest, he relishes the variety of food sent by his mother. After his lunch hour, he affectionately goes cow grazing into the forest and then takes rest. In the evening, all the cows are gathered by the cowherds as it's time to return back to Nandalaya, so now all proceed towards this beautiful place. Throughout the day, Shri Krishna loves to play, get up to mischief and graze the cows. Yashodaji then welcomes him home. After removing his clothes and ornaments, Yashodaji lovingly offers Shri Krishna his evening dinner and asks him to take rest as he has to wake up early the next day to graze the cows. Every Vaishnav's home is a Nandalaya, as Sri Vallabhacharya ji has established Sri Krishna's seva and daily routine according to that performed by his parents Nandarai ji and Yashoda ji in their home. Shri Krishna graciously stays at every Haveli or Vaishnav's home according to that daily routine. Shri Krishna's seva consists of 8 parts, and each part is performed in a prahar, which means a 3-hour period. These 8 prahars are called Asht Prahar. Thus, Shri Krishna's seva can be called Asht Prahar or Ashtyam. Let's now begin exploring each of them. The first one is Mangala. This is the first darshan of Shri Krishna in the morning. After he is gently awakened, Yashodaji offers him Mangal Bhog in the form of milk, curd and butter. He loves these food items. Vraj residents rush to Nandarai ji's home to have Shri Krishna's darshan. After Shri Krishna takes the offering, Yashodaji prepares him so that the eager Vraj residents can finally see him. The darshan of Shri Krishna at this time is called Mangala. The Aarti, meaning the prayer ceremony with a lit diya, is performed in Mangala, but Shri Krishna is not offered his Venuji, which is his flute. It is believed that if Shri Krishna plays his flute early in the morning, both the animate and inanimate world would become motionless. Paramanandas ji, one of Shri Krishna's 8 divine intimate friends, sings Kirtan, meaning devotional songs, when it is Mangala. The second darshan is Shringar. After performing the Aarti, the curtain is drawn. Now Shri Krishna is decorated with his auspicious clothes and ornaments. Yashodaji then bathes Shri Krishna and dresses him with new clothes and a variety of amazing ornaments. The Vraj residents yet again rush to have Shri Krishna's darshan of Shringar, and they observe how wonderful he looks. Thus, the curtains are then pulled back so that now everyone can see him. Shri Krishna is shown a mirror at this time, so that he can see how he is beautifully dressed. This is Shri Krishna's playtime, and he is offered light food items. Nand Das ji, one of Shri Krishna's 8 divine intimate friends, sings Kirtan during the Shringar darshan. The third darshan is Gwal. When Shri Krishna is ready to go to the forest with his cows, his darshan of Gwal is kept open. The chief cowherd from Nandarai ji's Gaushala eagerly tells Shri Krishna that all the cows are ready to go to the forest for grazing. Shri Krishna then quickly arrives there after seeking permission from his parents to go to the forest with the cows. Shri Krishna enjoys light food items like ghaya, warm milk. Govinda Swami, one of Shri Krishna's 8 divine intimate friends, sings Kirtan when it is Gwal. The fourth darshan is Rajbhog. Shri Krishna loves Rajbhog, which is the lunch hour at noon. When Shri Krishna reaches the forest, he sits under the cool shade of a tree along with his friends and enjoys the various food items sent by Yashodaji. She has lovingly prepared these food items out of milk, ansakhdi and sakhdi, which means pulses, rice, roti, and vegetables. Shri Krishna's darshan of Rajbhog displays his splendor and is kept open after he has partaken his Rajbhog. He is offered a bitter leaf, silver toys, and a necklace of fragrant flowers. After performing the Aarti, Kumbhandas ji, one of Shri Krishna's 8 divine intimate friends, sings Kirtan. The devotees engaged in Krishna Seva leave the temple for 4 hours. This period is called Anvasar, the period where Seva is not offered, and in it Shri Krishna plays games, grazes the cows and rests. Shri Krishna's darshan is then not kept open. The fifth darshan is Utthapan. Shri Krishna's companions awaken him, as it is time for gathering the cows and going back home. After waking him, a conch is blown, and his first evening darshan of Utthapan is kept open. Surdas Ji, one of Sri Krishna's 8 divine intimate friends, sings Kirtan at this time. The sixth darshan is Bhog. After Utthapan, Sri Krishna enjoys the food offered by the gopis and gathers all the cows from the lush green forests to return to Nandalaya. Sri Krishna then leads the way whilst playing with his friends. He lovingly returns the cows to their homes and graciously visits the home of the gopis where they offer him ansakhdi, the food items made from milk. His darshan of Bhog opens at that time. Chaturbhuj Das Ji, one of Sri Krishna's 8 divine intimate friends, sings Kirtan when it is Bhog. The seventh darshan is Sandhya Aarti. Yashoda Ji waits eagerly for Sri Krishna's arrival at the gate of Nandalaya. With her motherly love, she affectionately welcomes him and his friends. She performs the Aarti after looking at his auspicious face. His darshan of Sandhya Aarti remains open at that time. Sri Krishna goes to his home, all the cows are returned back to Gaushala, the cow shed, and his friends go back to their homes. As Sri Krishna has undergone much physical strain in grazing the cows, Yashoda Ji offers him Shan Bhog, which means the evening meal and milk. Chita Swami, one of Sri Krishna's 8 divine intimate friends, sings Kirtan when it is Sandhya Aarti. The 8th and last darshan is Shan Darshan. Here Yashoda Ji offers Sri Krishna his Shan Bhog. Meanwhile the Vraj residents arrive there to attain his final darshan at Nandalaya. His darshan of Shan is kept open. Unlike his Rajbhog darshan, he is not decorated with his auspicious ornaments at this time. At the end of this darshan, Aarti is performed. Sri Krishna then goes to sleep and those devotees engaged in his seva come out of the temple. Thus, the whole day of offering sevas to Sri Krishna has been completed. Overall, the routine of offering sevas in Pushtimarg is closely associated with the routine daily life of Sri Thakurji. This marks the end of today's session. However, the video is still not over as we all have to sing the Ashray Pad. Please sing along. Till we meet again in the next video, signing off with Jai Shri Krishna.
दृढ़ैन चरनान केरो भरोसो दृढ़ैन चरनान केरो श्रीवल्लभ नख चंद छटा बिन सब जग माज अंधेरो भरोसो दृढ़ न चरणन केरो साधन और नहीं आकलीन जासो होय निवेरो सूर कहा कहे द्विविदयादरो बिना मूल को चेरो भरोसो दृढ़ न चरणन केरो दृढ़ न चरणन केरो भरोसो भरोसो दृढायन चरणन दृढायन चरणन दृढायन चरणन के